and today I'll be showing you exactly how to use the eSchool to teach your classes. So currently Anjali is about to have her class, as you can see here. So I am going to join it and show you all how to conduct your classes. So if Isaiah would like, please join the CAPE IT class, as I will be going there now. Alright, so to join the class, all you have to do is click listen in, like so, and join as speaker, like so. Good. Now I'm recording, guys. I'm doing the tutorial. So now Anjali, Vidang, Jasmine, all of us here are stage moderators. This means that we have the permissions to ban, to move students, to mute them, to unmute them, to deafen them, all these different things, to disconnect them. So those are the police officer moderators. Now, all they have to do is click, all your students have to do is click request to speak, which will come here. So I can move to audience like this and become a speaker like that. Your students now have to click request to speak, and then their request will show up here. You would click yes, and then they're allowed to speak like all of us. So I'm now going to let Anjali have her class. So I would like Anjali to ask Vandana to join back CAPE IT class. Let's go to it. You look for CAPE Information Technology, like here. Okay, Vandana has joined back. Now we are going to use the move to method to move you from the live class to then be able to screen share over here in the screen share category for CAPE, which is here. So all Anjali has to do is type p.move to. In fact, let's go to CAPE Information Technology to watch her do it. So you go to CAPE Information Technology and you type, Anjali, you're going to type p.move to. Then type p.move to and then a space, and then type CAPE Information Tech and press enter. No, you need spaces in between CAPE Information Tech. So go again, p.move to space CAPE space information space tech, then press enter. Could not find any channels with that name.
Don't forget, all the channels you have in hyphens, not spaces. That's how you have them.
Oh, okay. Please use space hyphens. So p.move to and then space and then CAPE hyphen information hyphen tech. There we go. So now you want to move everyone to CAPE Information Tech screen share. So you're going to go again and say p.move to and then copy the ID. So you're going to copy the 83 all the way to 8. Like that. Sorry about the noise. My grandmother is washing dishes. Good. Now wait before you do it. Watch the magic. So to confirm that you want to do that, all you have to do is click the tick and you will move all of us to the screen share area right here. So go ahead and do it. And bam, just like that, we've been moved to the screen share area. Now all Anjali has to do is click share her screen like that, go to screen, screen 1. Make sure it's 1080p resolution to have a clear screen, and the frame rate is 60. Then click go live, and bam, you're live and you could conduct class. So that is the end of the tutorial, and I hope that this was effective for you guys. I hope Anjali has a great class, and for any other students who want to join, all you have to do is invite them like that, copy, and then paste it in here like that. Class has started at Kate Info Tech. Bam. Press enter, and bam. That's the new invite link. And it says I am live. Just like that. And that's how it goes. Alright guys, so that was a good tutorial, and all the best with your classes.